Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In the month of March, we are going to focus on yoga for strength.
In this session, we are going to focus on leg strength. Let's go ahead and come towards the front of your mat. And we're going to take a deep breath just to be aware of our breathing. Deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out. Swoop the arms up and in front of you, and let's find our chair pose. Holding it here, navel in and up. Let's be mindful of our hips, not hunching in or too far back. It's nice and neutral. Like imagine I have a line from the tip of my finger down, holding it here. Shift your weight to the right leg, kick the left leg back here, relax the shoulders. Deep breath in and out. And from here, we're gonna swoop the arms back, shoulders back, navel in and up. And we're gonna try a challenging balance move already. Find something that's not in front of you moving. Lift up and press up on that right leg, straightening it to warrior three with your arms back. Then we're gonna lower down very gently with control back to that lunge, arms come up. Go ahead and find a nice little stretch in that back heel, pressing your weight back there. Then we're gonna do the same thing, lifting up, deep breath, chest up, shoulders back, lifting up. And bend the right leg, swoop the arms up and over, lifting tall. Let's try that one more time. Arms goes back, shoulders lift, chest lift, right leg straightens a little bit. And go ahead and find your left leg back, right arm front. So I'm gonna turn to you, but if you wanna widen your legs out, you can widen your legs. I'm gonna go into a sumo motion right here. My knees are pulled out. We're stretching up, and then we're gonna pull and bend, open the knees, sit it down, down, down. Hold here, yes, hold. Then inhale, straighten. And exhale, hold. Pull those knees out, just like how your feet are pointed out. You really need to pull your knees out. If you can't pull your knees out, no problem, just bring them closer together. Inhale, lift up. Last time, hold, hold, hold. And I'm just gonna go back to where we were. Right lunge here. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Deep breath in, lift up. And exhale, let's stretch out the legs just a little bit, forward fold. Inhale, lift up. And this time, we're gonna find the chair. Kick the right leg back this time, shoulders back, navel in and up. And lift up, shoulders swoop back. Weight goes in the left leg, right leg comes up. And slowly lowering down, arms come up to the sky. 2 more times, go your own pace if I'm going too fast for you. Down and lift up. And lower back down. Arms come up. And one more time, lifting down and up, hold, hold, hold. And lower the right leg. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, swan dive down. Holding here, exhale a little bit further if you can. Then inhale, swoop up. From here, you can stay where you are. I'm just gonna face you. Widen the legs again, toes go out. Inhale, lift up. And find that sumo squat again. Holding here. If you have any ankle issues, you can keep your legs just holding here. If not, we're gonna come up onto the toes and down and up and down and up and hold, hold, hold. Very good. We're doing a lot of balancing poses, so if you need to hold on to a wall or something near you, that's fine. Let's go into a right warrior two, holding here. We're gonna lean forward. Place your right hand down on the ground if you can. If you cannot do that, grab a block. And from here, you're gonna come up with the intention of going down. So watch me this first time. We're coming up and holding. This is a challenge, but we're really working this right leg here to our warrior two. This is not easy and not warrior two. We're coming into our crescent pose right here. Come on down, take a deep breath in and out. Half moon, deep breath. We're gonna try that 3 times if you can do so. Don't worry about focusing on the screen. Do the best you can. Ready? Look out to a spot about 2 to 3 feet in front of you on the ground. Kick up the left leg up to the sky. Right leg is down. Look down. Try to hold it. Flex that back foot. Do the best you can. You do not have to be as high as me. And lower it back down nice and easy. Back to warrior two. How are you doing? If you're frustrated, that's okay. Do the best you can. 2 more times, you got this. Lifting up all the way down, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold your focus and bend the right leg slowly down if you can. Good, 1 more time, you can do it. Deep breath in first and out, let's give it a go. Down, lifting up, we're working our medial glute, we're also working our hamstring here, and our side, hold it, hold it, hold it, then down you go. How'd you do? Woo, both feet face forward. You can switch directions. We're gonna do the left side. I'm gonna keep facing the camera like this. So if you need to, left leg is in front. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Find that left warrior. Let's first set ourselves up. If you need to hold onto a block, place the block right in front of you down here. Open it up, stretch it out a little bit. And are you ready? 3 times. Same thing, left side. Looking down, you might notice one side's harder than the other. Come on up and hit it down. Bend it back, slow and steady if you can. Looking down, take a deep breath here. Pause. 2 more times, looking down. Take your time, really focus on the left leg doing work, and down you go. Find that half moon, then bend the left leg, weight goes in the heel, and set it down. Last time, try to make it your best time if you can. Looking down, bend the left knee, pull it out, down, 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 and hold it, hold it, hold it. And let's find our left warrior 2 again. I'm gonna face you, but if you're facing the screen a different way, that's fine. Knees go out, hold here. How are you doing? Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Both hands go down onto the thighs. Let's stretch them out a little bit. Dropping one shoulder down, then the other. Don't worry about which one. Opening up here. And lifting up with the arms, holding strong and tall. Both feet face to the front now. We're gonna come up onto the toes, lift up if you can. Not easy, down. Onto the toes, deep breath up. And down. Last time, up. And down. Go ahead and lean forward, step forward towards the front of your mat. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, stretch it out, forward fold. Then inhale back up. Go ahead and bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes, visualize yourself standing tall and strong. From here, you can either grab 2 peace fingers onto your right toe or hold on to your knee. What we're gonna do, if you're on your 2 peace fingers on the big toe, we're gonna sit it back just into chair and up. If you're holding onto the knee right here, sit it back into the chair, weight goes in the heel, down and up. 1 more time if you can, down and up. So these are intense balancing and strength poses, so don't be ashamed to hold on to something. Are you ready for the right leg down, left leg up? 2 peace fingers, big toe if you can, or holding onto the knee. If you even have a chair behind you, that's fine too. We're sitting it way back. We're going down and up. Notice my butt is going way back if you can. If you have the 2 peace fingers, here you go. Down and up. Once more. Down. If you can do a full pistol squat, be careful for the knees, but you can. And up. Gently lower. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And exhale, forward fold down. Inhale up. Hands come to your heart. Again, we're balancing more, so hold on to something if you need. The right knee is coming up. We're gonna kick the right leg straight. Arms come up to the sky and swoop it back and doing warrior 3, but this time the arms in front. And we're gonna swoop it back forward without touching the ground. You can do it. Up and back. Up and back. And up. And figure 4 down, stretching it out a little bit. Hold, hold, hold. That left ankle is definitely getting some work done. You're working on stability right here. All those little muscles are going into work. Then stand tall. Take a deep breath in. And hands come to your heart. And we're gonna switch. Left knee comes up. Kick it front, arms come up, and swoop it back to warrior 3. Doesn't have to be as high as me. Could be higher, could be lower. Up 2 more times, you got this, and back. Up. And back. And up. Figure 4, find that chair. Deep inhale and exhale. Then inhale, lift up and back. Find your forward fold. And reverse swan dive up or come up however you'd like. I'm gonna face you, you just stay where you are. We're gonna work on our calves. Coming up, 1, down. Up, good, down. Up, and down. If you need to hold on to something, go for it. I'm gonna mirror you. The right leg down, pick up that left foot. Up, good, down. 2 more, up, good, down. 1 more, up, and down. Switching legs, left leg down, right leg up. Up, focus on something if you need to, and down. 2 more, up, and down. 1 more, up, and down. Take a deep breath in, hands to your heart. Take another deep breath in and out. Relax your jaw. This time we're gonna lift up on our toes. If you get shin splints, this is the muscle that helps strengthen it. Lift the toes up and down. If you feel like you're gonna fall, butt back, chest up. 2 more times, up and down. 1 more, up and down. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, walk it back to your downward facing dog. Go ahead and walk out your dog here. Find your tabletop. From here, we're gonna keep the right arm down. Left leg goes out into a left side plank here. Arm comes up to the sky. So we did this half moon with this right leg down, but this time we're gonna be on our knee. We're coming up with that left leg and down, up. Keep that breath work strong and down. 1 more, up and down. I'm gonna face away from you. Left hand comes down, left leg comes down and switch. Right arm is up and lift up and down, up and down. Once more, up and down. Go ahead and come on into your tabletop, then shift into your child's pose just to stretch those legs out a little bit. Then come on up. Walk the knees in, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, downward facing dog. Right leg comes up to the sky, shift your gaze to your hands. If you can get your foot there, swoop it through. If you can't, take your time however you can do it. This time we did a high lunge, but now we're in a really low lunge, challenging our legs a little bit more, depending on how flexible and how strong we are to keep ourselves up. Take a few breaths here on your own. Gaining the strength, the stamina. We're gonna stagger our hands on that right leg and straighten that right knee just a little bit if you can, nose towards the knee, and hold. Then after all of that strengthening, let's go ahead and deepen the stretches even more. Bend the left leg and rock the hips back, curl the toes up towards your nose. If you need something underneath that left knee, go for it. Down you go a little bit more. Really targeting this right hamstring. Then both hands on the inside of the right leg. Watch out for the knee grinding that left knee. Walk it forward. Lift up the left knee into lizard. If you need blocks, you can place blocks underneath you. If you want more of a strength pose, stay up here. If you want more of a flexibility pose in the hips, you can go down a little bit more. Holding, holding, holding. One more breath in and out. Then we're gonna walk back this right leg, find the downward facing dog, shake it out a little bit. Then the left leg is gonna come up to the sky. Shift your gaze to your hands and get that left foot in between those hands if you can, or find whatever way you can do so. Whenever you're ready, let's find this deep left lunge, nice and low. Arms come up and breathe tall. Good, one more breath. And straddle the left leg, straighten it as well, nose towards the knee. Try to give into the stretch. You want to make sure that you're stretching whatever you're strengthening. Then let's go ahead and drop the right leg down. Walk the hands back, place something underneath that right knee if you'd like, and nose towards the knee. Curl these toes up towards the nose, really to have that leverage, pulling on that hamstring, relax the shoulders. And then walk it front, both hands on the inside of the left leg. Let's strength here, add some strength. Pick up that right leg to lizard. If you want to come all the way down for more of a stretch, you can do so, or you can drop the right knee. Whatever you're doing, really open those hips and also strengthen whatever you can do by lifting yourself up. One more deep breath in and out here. Then let's go ahead and walk that left leg back. Come on over to a crisscross leg position. Lifting tall, opening the hips. Go ahead and come on down to a forward fold, really opening up the hips, stretching out those legs. Inhale, lift. Notice which leg is on top. Just crisscross it the other way. Lifting tall and down you go. Inhale, lift up. Close your eyes wherever you are. We're going to do a seated meditation. Breathe in and out through your nose. Notice how your legs feel more warm from all the blood flowing through, from all the friction that you did, from all the work that you put into your legs. Take a deep breath in, thanking your legs for everything it did. And exhale out. Close your eyes and just feel your body. And take a few breaths to yourself. And bring your hands to your heart, shoulder back. Deep breath here. And exhale, release. Namaste. Thanks for practicing.
Thank you for participating. Make sure you always consult with your